Good morning, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Thursday. What day is this? The 19th of May. As you can see, I am long here. Just two contracts, very small position at 27.5 right here. Got two positions on, open about $375 on this trade. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm actually going to, and that was put on this morning. Market dropped off a little bit, and we are rallying. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take just one off, see if we can go much higher. Okay, and I'll trail it below this bar's low. So I'm going to try to get out 31. Let's go 30 and 3/4. 30 and a half. Look at this. Okay. Let's see if we can back and fill a little bit. I believe we've definitely hit resistance in here. Market dropped off quite a bit this morning, and if you take a look at just some quick fibs, it hit the 50% retracement right here, right there at the top, and that's where I should have had a resting order in. Look at this, unbelievable. So what I'm going to do is let's say 29 and 3/4. Jeez, oh beast, look at this. Okay. 29.5. Get out something at 29.5. We can back and fill a little bit.
Order filled.
All right, locked in. You know what? I took them both out. Okay, I thought I did one, but okay. I'm going to pause the video and see if we can get another trade, if we can come down here a little bit. All right, I am back. I'm actually waiting for the market to come back down and retest the low of the day, or even get closer to that. Even though the market internals look pretty weak, okay, I still think we could get a bounce, and I definitely think the market will, in fact, test the lows of the day. Actually, in my Interactive Brokers account, I had a short right in here. And took profits at 28 on that short, and 25.5 actually on my second half of the position. But this was in another account, and Craig Hill hit it too in the live trading room, and he is actually still short. Took some profits off. He's still short. I bailed again at 28, sold this at 29 and 3/4 up in here, ran up to 32. Actually had a few trades in here. I shorted it, took profits in here, and then when it bounced back up again, shorted it again here and here, and got out. So actually had some really good shorts in here. It's classic, right? Trend is down. The internals are definitely weak, right? You see the movement down here. Again, what we like to use is the NYSE tick, the advanced decline line, looking at all those things. But look at when the market rallied up, okay, it came right up to the 50% retracement of the day in a weak market. This is a classic no-brainer short when the market popped up. So we'll see what happens. Again, I'm going to wait. I'm going to pause this video and just come back if the market gets a little interesting. Look at this. We have an inside pattern here, right? Bar's high is lower than the prior bar's high, and the low is higher than the prior bar's low. If the market were to break up through 27.25 to the upside, I think we could run. But I'm going to pause it and we'll see. All right, decision time. Internals still looking real weak. Market was never able to take out this inside vertical bar. Take a look closely in here. The market has, in fact, made lower highs in here. Boom, boom, boom. Each one's lower, right? So you have like a little downtrending line right here. Really, you need to start closing up above that line if we're going to get a pop to the upside. If you're looking at the breakout type of side of things. If you're more counter trend, and let's see. I'm still waiting. I'm looking for this. I mean, I know the market came within a tick, but still I'm not 100% convinced yet that the low is 23 3/4. Market came down to 24. Yeah, it's only a tick. Let's see if the market starts to consolidate a little bit in here. Maybe we get some. That's too big. Let's see. I'm going to pause the video. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to anticipate. I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive. I'm going to probably just buy just half of the position. I'm going to do one. Again, trading very small to show you that you only trade one or two, you can still do extremely well. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get at 25. Let's go 24 and 3/4. Let's just see. Okay, look at this market. Man, let's hold off a little bit. Let's see. Maybe we can push a little lower. Again, the market internals are very weak. Advanced decline. I mean, look at the Nasdaq advanced declines down 1476. So it's pretty weak. NYC tick has been holding below 0 for a long time. I still think we're gonna move. I still think we might get a bounce though, but I'm gonna hold off just a little bit here and see what happens. See, now I know you could look at this and say, well, man, market missed it by a tick. Hey, I could fail, could really bounce. Yes, but when the internals are as weak as they are, you just want to give it a little bit more room. Look at this. Craig is killing it. He was short up in here and he's held it this whole time, looking for that retest. Whereas I bailed at 25 and a half right in here. So he definitely has more patience than I. He is killing it in our live trading room. I think we're up like 90 points this month already. And we're only on the 19th day of the month. Up about 85 points. Up almost 400 points on the year in the E-Mini trading room, which is what, 19,000 per contract since the beginning of the year. Yeah, so everything's going extremely well. Now we've successfully tested that low, right? And it doesn't seem like we're having much. I'm looking for some rejection on some of the internals to tell us that we should in fact go move higher. Man, look at this. So Craig just Skyped me. Yeah, up 7.5 points on that. So unbelievable. He's killing it. All right, that's just my computer talking to me right now. So we're weak right now. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna get back into this. Here we go. 23 and 3/4. Let's see if we can get a 23 and 23 and 3/4. Here we go. Just one. Okay. 23 and 3/4. Let's see if I'm too late. 24 and a half. 23 and 3/4. I'm looking at 23 and 3/4. I've got the fibs of the entire day from high to low. I'm gonna also measure the smaller swing from swing high to the low of the day. Right. I'm right up in here to low. Looking for a target up in here. Okay. Gosh, missed it. All right, that's being real conservative. Now we're getting the bounce, and I suspect we'll come up. I would say at least to 26 and a quarter. So I'm going to take this order out and reevaluate if the market's able to come back and fill. There we go. Damn. Okay, let's just see. I'll pause it again. All right, look at this. The market did exactly what we thought it would do, right? And I just didn't do it. I kind of hesitated, and I was looking to buy at that 23 and 3/4, never got filled, and look at, we're back up to 26 and a half. Frustrating. Just knew that low would fail today, and we're up through it. So I'm going to end it now. If I get another trade this afternoon, I'll try to record it. Have a great day, and hope that helps. Bye for now.